Hey everyone, welcome back to the DLV. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Ultra. I got one for me and one for my wife, but I'm going to let her do her own unboxing, and I'm going to open up mine right now. I got the Midnight Ocean Band, which is the diving band, and it comes in a dark blue, so that should be a really nice contrast with that titanium bezel. UPS delivered it right on time at 10 a.m. So it was virtually no waiting on delivery day. So it's a happy Apple day for me. Tearing off both ends so I can open up this packaging. Let's unfold it. And underneath you will see a Apple Watch brochure that just shows the different type of bands that are available. Again, I got the Ocean band. So here you can see the packaging for the bezel and the charger. And there's the packaging for the Midnight Ocean band. You see two little strips to pull off on either end. And the box will open up. And there it is in all its glory, the 49mm titanium finish Apple Watch Ultra. Let me get this wrapping off so you can get a good look at it. Doing my best not to fumble it out of my hands. You can see how much bigger it is than my Series 5. I believe it's a 44 or 45 on my wrist. 45, I think. So there it is. Now let's unbox the band. It is a lot of packaging, but I guess for $7.99, you got to feel like you're getting your money's worth in there for packaging, I guess. So it'll all go into the recycling bin. So the bottom of the band clicked in pretty easy. Now let's go ahead and try and attach the top part of the band. Just a little bit more difficult, not much though. I didn't want to force anything or tear anything or scratch anything, so just took it nice and easy. And when it fits, it just clicks right into place. There it is. Voila. Oops, nope, not done yet. One more clasp to attach to make sure the band can stay secure and doesn't flop all over the place. It inserts into the hole of the band so the upper band can fit into it without being too tight. Basically pull apart the latch and insert in the hole. The other way, not that way. Flip it around. That way the band can slide in. There we go. A little tug on the other side of that clip and insert and click. Right there. I had to readjust it. It didn't fit around my wrist. It's a little too chubby, so I had to bring it in so I can get that band underneath the clasp. So again, just a pull apart, not too much pressure, don't want to like break it apart, and insert into the hole through the band. And then a flip alignment and a snap into place. Like that. There she is. So let's see if this watch powers up, and let's try and get it paired with my iPhone. Waiting patiently. In real time. There it is. Now the watch is asking to pair with my iPhone. So I'm going to bring my iPhone up to the watch and go from there. Here's my 14 Pro Max, waiting for it to discover the watch so I can start the process. Here we go. Just tap continue and you're good to go. Is this my watch or someone else's? So I'm setting it up for myself. So my phone, my watch. So now it's asking me to make this my new Apple Watch, which means I have to detach from my old one, gladly. Tapping continue. So waiting for the watch to connect to the iPhone in real time. And it's going to ask me to agree to the terms and conditions. Seen that a million times before when you're trying to connect a new device. Accept it. Go ahead and create your passcode for your Apple Watch so when you strap it on you can unlock it. No Face ID on the Apple Watch Ultra, no camera, so it's passcode. So now the watch is telling you about its optimized charge limit. Telling you about the safety features, the emergency SOS. Continue. And now we need to connect to the cellular network. So I have Verizon, so I'm going to just swap out my old watch for my new one. Pretty easy to do, but you do have to remember your password from your Verizon account. Had trouble with that. It's been a couple of years logging in there without Face ID. But once that's done, the watch is set up and cellular is ready. Now it's going to ask you to set up your Apple Pay, transfer your cards from your phone to your watch, the ones you want to use. I'm just going to set up my Apple Card and make that my default. I have too many cards to try and add right now. I just want to start using this watch. It is the easiest to add. Just use your Face ID and it's all done. It is Apple, so that makes it super easy. And now the device is added to my account. Everything should be good to go. Tapping OK. And at this point, I'll be able to dial in the watch faces. Oh, by the way, you'll see this orange action button. There are many choices you can have for using it, but for me, I'm going to make it my flashlight because I probably won't go diving with it. It's also a dive function, but I'll just make it my flashlight. It's good for nighttime. Won't be bumbling, stumbling in my bedroom going to the bathroom in the middle of the night. And there it is on my wrist. Just right. Here you can see the charging cable that was provided with the watch. It's not the standard rubbery finish on the cable like with the iPhone. It's a textured cloth-like finish. It's very nice. It's USB-C, so be aware. Just like your iPhone cable, USB-C to Lightning. Well, that looks like everything. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching.